What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on MULN ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video a couple of days ago at this very point, and I've told you that we didn't hit the lowest price target that I marked with this arrow, and instead of this we basically had a good bounce from this range of support right here. As you can see, we have this range of resistance. We also have this range as the resistance right here, and for now we have this range as a support. And I've told you that because of this we might have the next leg to the upside, and we might have 5-wave structure in this movement. And let me show you that probably we might have this as our first wave, second, third, fourth, that didn't overlap the territory of the first one, and fifth to be determined. And in my technical analysis I will show you where we might land our top of the fifth wave. But for now let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me remind you that we broke this previous top. And technically we eliminated the ABC correction to the downside, and for now, at least for the medium-term perspective, we invalidated the price targets below $2 mark, and that is very good news. So what was the reason of this recent spike? Let me show you this article. It was published just several hours ago on Investor Place, and it says, "Why is Mullen Automotive stock up 25% today?" And the subtitle is, "Mullen stock soared Wednesday on a promising CEO interview." And let me quote you this. Mullen jump is likely due to comments made by CEO David Misery. Misery appeared on the Benzinga Listmaker YouTube show. And here is the link, you can watch this video by yourself. In the show, Misery alluded that to an upcoming second quarter announcement that a major Fortune 500 company is purchasing cargo vans. And definitely this news made a lot of excitement on Wall Street Bets community and on StockTweets.com community. And let me show you that for now this asset on StockTweets.com community on watchers section is on the first place, with a huge increase in number of mentions. And the most active section also has this ticker symbol on the second place. And definitely this momentum might continue in upcoming session. And on top of that, let me show you that on ipwisdom.io we have Mullen Automotive on the 8th place, and it gained about 11 rows during last 24 hours. So this asset gained its momentum during last session, and the volume right here shows that this breakout is the real breakout above this range, and technically we are very bullish right now and we have to hold this line, but I will show you some details in just several minutes. So let me show you that on top of this comment we had the most recent news that Mullen Automotive straightens balance sheet up to $65 million. And on my previous video I covered this news in details, and I've told you that we have to know what is the source of this investment. Definitely we might see some kind of public or private offering, and one of my suggestions was that this company might have a huge contract, and this contract might give this or part of this money to the company. And as you can see, this interview confirms my assumption that partially $65 million might be from the contract from the company of Fortune 500 list. And definitely this improves the credibility of this company. But in my opinion, we still have to be very cautious, because they will deliver the first several vehicles on Q2 2022. This means they have a lot of vehicles to deliver, and that's why this might be quite a long-term contract, and that's why from the fundamental standpoint this catalyst might be a long-term catalyst. But for now we have a lot of excitement from retail community, and this company doesn't have a lot of institutional investors. That's why retail investors made a lot of volatility with this asset, and that is why it has huge movements to the upside, or probably we might have movement to the downside as well. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? As I already mentioned, we have several key points and we have to break it in order to establish higher highs and higher lows. For now, we have higher lows on the smallest scale. We have these higher lows and these higher highs. For now, we have to hold this line. And in my opinion, in upcoming session, if we won't see any major news, definitely we might hit this range, and this range also might be your entry point if you want to catch the next movement to the upside. If you believe that the CEO of this company or this company by itself will make some new statements that will drive the price of this company higher. And if it is the case, definitely from this range, from the range of about $2.8, we might have a bounce. And if this bounce will be confirmed with a huge volume, definitely we will hit higher targets. So let me mark several resistances that are above our current range for now. And it is a $3.5 mark. Next one, definitely this previous swing high. And as you can see, we have this red line, and let me zoom out a little bit. Let me show you the bigger picture. This red line is nothing else but the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, and it also might act as a resistance. So we have a double confluence region at $4.14. It is the previous swing high and the retracement range of 0.236 from the top to the bottom. That is why we have to have this range as our second range of resistance as well. And what is the main target? So if it is the case, if we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth, and we have to project the range of the top of the fifth wave. And to do so, we have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom, let me show it to you, from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave. And as long as this pivot holds, the bottom of the fourth wave, we have following targets. First of all, definitely the most probable range is 0.786. It is the price point of $4.92, and I have to say that it is almost the confluence with the round number of $5. And this is our first target. Second target, let me zoom in a little bit. Second target is right here. It is one-to-one extension, and it is the price point of $5.71. And the next one, the most aggressive one, is right here. It is 1.618 extension level, and it is again round number of $8 mark, and it is the confluence with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level from the top to the bottom. And here is the most aggressive price target, and I have to say that we have not more than 15 to 20% probability to hit this range in upcoming months. And the lower the price target is, the more probability we have to hit it in upcoming months. So what should we expect next? In my opinion, if you believe that this company will have a lot of major catalysts in upcoming sessions, definitely you can accumulate your position, and you can accumulate your position on the movement to the downside. And you have basically two stop losses for now. I have to say that even three stop losses. The most conservative one is this support/resistance. If we will break it, it is not the main stop loss, it is just some kind of red flag. Next one, right here, the previous swing low at $2.21. And the main one is right here, the bottom of the fourth wave. Because if we will break this range, definitely we will invalidate our fifth wave as our motive wave, and we will invalidate pretty much this count of impulsive 5 waves, and we might have this movement to the upside as ABC correction. And that is why we have to be cautious. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.